There was nothing in between. There was nothing in between, out of which a tale was woven. There was a cry, lost on the way, or a silence crouched in some secretive corner, never heard, never said. There was a shadow trembling with its own fear, or a delusionary glimpse flickering far away. That wasn't me, nor you, but two stars, perhaps from another galaxy, in the azure mist of a parting, not known. And just like that, the earth was made heavenly. There was nothing in between, out of which a tale was woven.